time. Promises I done broke them too. Shawty still right by my side. That's how I know that the love true. The lied to her, cheated on her. Ain't too much that I didn't do. I respect her for the woman that she is today. Cause all the shit that I...
What's up, man? This your boy Devon, aka Watlow, man. Better known as Watlow, man. Listen, hey, we about to get ready to head over to my mama's house. Gotta grab some stuff that was here for promo, and it's probably gonna be in this video. But listen, I need y'all to like, comment, share, subscribe if y'all want to keep seeing these bangers. If you haven't subscribed to the new page already, make sure you subscribe to the new page, the Watlows. The next video on the Watlows is going to be uploaded at 1,000 views. 1,000 subscribers. And then the next one is going to be at 1,500. Then the next one is going to be at 2,000. Then we're going to start uploading back to back to back on both channels. Listen, I need y'all to go subscribe. If you really support us and you really want to keep seeing these bangers, make sure you subscribe to both channels and let's get it. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe on each and every video. Let us know if it's good or bad. Follow us on TikTok, social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. If you support us, you support us. If you're a real supporter, you don't see no problem in supporting us on each and every social media. Let's get it. Let's go. And this is supposed to be a vlog, so I'm going to be putting the camera in the car and making it seem like we're vlogging. So, let's get it. I've been seeing people do the mask prank, y'all. The mask prank, people been leaving a mask in the car, the dudes, and they girl been finding the mask prank. I'm about to get ready to put some of Jazz makeup stuff inside of one of the masks I got in there. Once I asked her, do she got her mask, and she started looking for a mask, I'm gonna have that mask somewhere in the area where she can get close to it, or she can look at it real quick and just be like, oh no, this ain't my mask. Did your mask? I'm like, no, it ain't mine. Like, just, y'all know how to get the ball rolling. So if, like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure y'all fuck with this video. Let's get it. Alright guys, so now I'm in the car waiting on Jazz. Mama is with my mom right now, so we have to go over there regardless. But me and Jazz just stopped and spent some time together and basically let my mom keep Mama for a little while. But this is the makeup stuff I'm about to use. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm just gonna basically put like some makeup stuff inside of the, cause I know y'all be patting y'all face and shit. So the little smearing of makeup. And Jazz ain't had on no makeup today, so it might work. Okay, so that should look believable right now. Look more realistic and it looks believable. So my hot Jazz little makeup thing. She ain't sitting over here, so I just slide in the middle of the seats, and then I just put this back here, like U's. Gotta make it look U's on the floor. Here come Jazz. She get ready to come to the garage. Y'all be quiet. You should have vlogged with this camera. Well, when we go inside the stove.
Do you have the stand? The thingy?
After we pick up Mama. No, I'm using the GoPro to vlog in the car. And then once we go to Mama.
No, I'm saying, do you have the stick?
The
thing, yeah.
Handheld thing?
Mm-hmm.
No. I'm just gonna hold it like this.
Bro, my forehead just looks like, oh my God.
I told them already Mama is with my mama, so.
Oh yeah. A break, you guys. Y'all, my forehead look real crazy, okay? That's because I've been wearing wigs too much. My edges is intact, but my forehead look like I got a 3rd-degree burn. That ain't it.
Your bald head intact.
I'm not bald headed.
Mm-hmm.
All this, I can't wait to get laser hair removals and stuff.
You got more hair than I do.
No, I don't. Cause I made a butt.
So what, we gonna go to Target first or get Mama?
Target.
Target. Alright. Hold on. Got your mask, better make sure you got your mask.
No. No. Where's my socks? Oh, these are clean. here. Is this?
My wallet in here?
What?
My wallet in here?
What's this?
What the ass was that about? My wallet in here?
Your wallet? Why would your wallet be in here?
Because my wallet ain't in there.
You sure it ain't in your pants pocket? But what is this?
Hmm? What is what? What?
What is this? This isn't mine.
How the fuck that's not yours?
Devon,
What?
you trying to get slapped in your face?
You trying to get re-slapped in your shit?
Why, what is this? What is this?
A mask. Why the fuck
Yeah,
you
but it's
asking me?
not my mask.
How that ain't your mask?
Devon, when do I ever wear these?
You always wear a mask.
Devon, I always wear masks, but I don't have masks like this.
So what you been wearing?
The masks that have prints on it. I don't have this mask.
Why you lying? You don't wear masks like that before.
Devon. What, Devon, this is not my mask. This is what I'm trying to tell you. You had my car.
They got your makeup in there.
This is not my makeup.
That is yours.
Devon. This is glitter, bro.
How the hell is that
This is glitter.
How is that glitter? That's makeup. That's your dirty makeup.
No, it's not. It's not mine. That's not even my skin color. My makeup never looked that light. My makeup is never this light.
Yes, your makeup is.
No, it's not.
Oh my God. This is the same as that makeup you always got on. What are you talking about?
Devon, that's not my makeup. When I wear my skin color, it's darker. Stop acting stupid.
No, it's just dirty. Your shit, this is yours.
No, it's not,
dirty.
and I don't never wear that.
Yes, you do. How the fuck you don't wear this? This what you started wearing off when this shit all
Yeah,
came
when I
out.
started off, you know how long it's been since I seen a mask like that? All I wear is printed mask. So whose mask is that? Who did you have in my car?
Well, this probably one of your old masks.
I just cleaned out my car.
Oh, stop all that yelling.
Listen, bro, you gonna Devon, who did you have in the car? Who did you have in the car? It had to be somebody in the car.
You. That's yours. You probably done forgot what you wanted.
Cause you lying.
People that wear makeup.
You
What the
lying.
fuck is
How you people who don't wear makeup and I wear makeup?
That's what I'm saying. So I don't know nobody else that wear makeup. You the only person I know wear makeup.
Devon, who was in the car?
Nobody. Nobody was in this car. I'm gonna put somebody in this shit.
What you mean in
I'm saying, why put somebody in here?
This is not my shit, bro. This ain't even my...
Shit probably smell like ass and corn chips.
It's a joke. It's a joke, ain't it?
Come on, man. That's your shit. I know that's your shit.
It's not mine. This is what I'm telling you. This is how I know you slipping up.
How the f am I slipping up?
Who you had in my car? Who you had in my car? Who you had in my car?
Ain't nobody.
Who you had in my car?
Shit.
Who you
Man,
had?
you barely can fit in this shit.
Who you had in my car?
No fucking body.
Devon, this is not my color. You don't even know got COVID.
I ain't even finna go back and forth. You talking about who is?
I don't know.
Come on, man.
That's,
One big ugly
I
thing.
don't give a damn. Fuck you.
You too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You on some stupid
Okay.
shit. I'm on some stupid
Okay.
shit too.
Play with me if you
Come on,
want
man.
to. Play with me if you want to.
Let me fucking go.
Turn this whole car up. Yeah.
You love that car. Come on, man. Get the fuck.
I'm on.
I'm out of here.
I'm a fuck. I'm being gonna know God.
Buckethead, girl.
Play with me. Turn this whole up. Oh, retarded ass. Get the hell out of my face. What you, Devon, I will bust you in your face.
Okay.
I will bust you in your face.
All right.
I will bust you in your face.
Okay.
Oh.
No bullshit.
You know No, no. Stupid ass. Where my phone at? Where my phone? Where my goddamn phone? Is that my phone? Where my phone at? So I punch you in your face. Move out the way. Got hole. The hell.
Acting like in the camera was on the whole